Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your Netflix account without sharing your password, follow these step-by-step instructions for secure access management. Step 1. Log into Netflix using your web browser or the Netflix app on any device. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Account from the menu to access your account settings. Step 4. Find and click on the Profile and Parental Controls section. Step 5. Click on Add Profile to create a separate profile for the person you want to share with. Step 6. Enter a profile name and select whether it should be a kid's profile with content restrictions. Step 7. Click Continue to create the profile, which will appear on the main profile selection screen. Step 8. Share access by having the person log in with your credentials initially to select their profile. They can then maintain their own viewing history and recommendations. And for households, Netflix may require device verification through codes sent to registered devices to add people to your Netflix household. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.